Whoa, that was the fastest I ever went up that hill.
Yeah, me too.
I saw the slipstream.
You got a slipstream? Oh, fun.
I don't know. I don't know. But I went up with no issue.
Hmm.
I'm a crack, dude. I'm catching up to everybody.
Yeah. I'm a racist, bro.
Oh, that guy had my slipstream. Give it to me. Give
I'm
it to
in
me. Give it to
first
me.
place.
Yes. Give me your fucking slipstream, bitch.
Oh yeah, dude, there's something different about this race. Something way different. I'm jumping so much further. Maybe there's no catch up on.